we have here is a 2.3 pound dry aged ribeye. Today we're going to teach you how to make it on a grill. We're going to start by giving it a good coating of sea salt, crushed pepper, but pepper flakes are fine too. Some garlic, paprika, or if not paprika, you can use chili just to give it a little spice. Don't be afraid to over spice this. This is a very thick steak. It's not going to be overkill, because you're just going to have it as the outside crust. Now, you also want to make sure you get it all around the sides of the steak as well. This is such a thick steak that we're going to spice the sides of it as well. The grill is very hot. I put some wood in there to give it some more flavor. So we're gonna drop this. It's gonna cook for about 7-8 minutes. You can then turn it to get the grill marks, and then we're gonna flip and do the same thing, and then we're gonna close and bake it for a while because of how thick it is. And now we're gonna flip it and check out the grill marks. Whoa, what do you think? What do you think of that, Charlie?
Nice grill marks. That is good looking steak.
Hopefully it'll taste as good as it looks.
That's awesome.
We've given it about 5 minutes. We're gonna rotate it, give it about 5 more minutes, and then close it. We're gonna bake it for, depending on how rare you like it, but at least 5 minutes. It's a very large piece of meat, so it has to cook through. Alright, we're gonna take a look at this now. Oh yeah, that looks great. I'm gonna flip and give it just about 2 more minutes. We're going for rare doneness.